Hello everyone! Today we will cook spicy grilled fish like in the best restaurant. First, let's clean it with a knife and outline the pieces. Now, let's do the sauce. We will need yogurt, garlic, some ginger, green chili pepper, and coriander. The blender will help us mix everything well. We have an exquisite sauce, but there is still something missing. Some salt, dill seed powder, some masala powder, as well as red pepper, some seeds, and of course, oil. Let's add more red chili pepper, tikka masala, and finally some turmeric. Hooray! It's time to mix everything well. And there's our sauce. Let's get back to our fish. First, we need to sprinkle it with flour and carefully distribute it around the perimeter. I'll do it with my finger. It's more convenient this way. Now we can pour the sauce. Oh, what a fragrance! When the dish is fully lubricated, you can send it to the grill. Let's fry it. The main thing is to turn the fish over in time so that it does not burn. Excellent! I think it's ready. Let's check it out. Ta-da! We got delicious dish that is served with chili sauce and vegetables. I can't wait to try a piece. How delicious! And some sauce. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Put a like if you liked this video and also subscribe to our channel. We invite you to cook and experiment with us. It's fun and very interesting. See you soon. Bye, everyone.